Hey guys, welcome back to channel how to make email templates with Gmail in 2025. So there's a quick way. First of all, we will just move in the settings option and this tab for see all settings. After we will just move in advanced settings and make sure you will just have to enable this template and scroll down and just tap for save changes. Okay, so right over we will just compose a new email. So we will just type a new. We will just add a compose email. So we will just move in the three dots. Just tap for templates. Again on save draft as template, and in the option you will see save as new. So just tap save as new. Give them name. So that's it. So we will just refresh it, and you will just again tab on compose. Right over go on three dots. This tab for templates, and as you can see there is an option video editing services. So just tap. So in this way you will just have to make email templates with Gmail easily in 2025. So that's it. Thank you.